Hi guys, it's Kelsey Mandisa from Lemandi Salon. Happy New Year to everyone. I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you to everyone who has been watching my videos, everyone who has liked my videos, and thank you to all of my new subscribers. I really do appreciate you guys for supporting my channel, and I know that it's been a while since I uploaded a new video, but I am back. I do have a lot of content that I will be uploading soon, and so yeah, let's just get into today's video. So as you guys can see, I have already shampooed my client. I am blow drying her right now. So what I will be doing on her is a traditional full sew-in with a small leave out. I will be showing you guys my standard braid pattern and also how I install my bundles. So stay tuned and keep watching. Okay, so here's my standard braid pattern. I will always do 2 anchor braids, which are right up underneath the leave out, wherever the leave out will be. I will always put 2 braids up underneath, going back, and they're going to be pretty small. The reason why I do this is because those will anchor the track so that once the hair is growing out, your tracks aren't sliding down so quickly. Next, I will do braids just going straight down to the back, and I just kind of flip the braids into other braids, so that at the end I just have one particular braid. I do this because I do not like sewing in wefts or bundles parallel or the same direction as the braids are going. I like to sew them perpendicular just because to me I like the way that the bundles lay flatter, especially when the hair is growing out. I find that when you sew the bundles parallel or the same direction as the braids are going, once the hair starts growing out, I find that your tracks start sticking out, if that makes sense. So I just like to braid this way just to keep everything flat, even during the grow out process, so that your hair is not looking like a helmet once it starts growing out. Also, guys, just a little tip to work smarter and not harder. Unless the hair is super thick and super long, you do not need to have really small braids the whole time. It really is really uncalled for, and a lot of times too, if the hair is really fine, you don't want to put so much stress on the hair. So I find that doing decent sized braids, especially towards the back, that you can still have a flat and seamless install with no lumps or bumps. Now when I get to the front of her head at the hairline, what I like to do is flip over the bundle if the weft is pretty flat. I do this all the way until I complete the first bundle. Once I get to the second bundle, I like to cut the wefts along the hairline. I do this because I'm very aware of how fragile the hairline is. I try to be very sensitive to my clients' hairlines and their edges so that when they do take their hair out, they don't have any thinning or any breakage along their hairline. So guys, when trying to decide on the type of hair that you want to get for your install, I always recommend to get raw bundles, just because that I feel like those are the best quality bundles that you can get on the market, and also those are going to be the best in terms of blending for your hair, especially if you're natural. Next, if you do want to get virgin hair, Please make sure that it is 100% virgin. It does not have any other fibers mixed in. The quality of the hair is going to show, and you want to also be able to wear the hair, keep the hair for a while. It is an investment. Hair is not cheap. So just make sure that you are, when you're spending your money on getting the hair, that it is of the best quality.